Today I'm going to make twice baked potatoes. First, I'm going to cook the potatoes. I have 4 potatoes that I've already washed and I have them on a lined cookie sheet, and now I'm going to poke some holes in the potatoes, and then I'm going to cook the potatoes at 400 degrees for 1 hour. Now that the potatoes have come out of the oven and cooled, I'm going to cut all the potatoes in half. Now I'm going to scoop out the potato and put it in the bowl. As you could see here, I didn't take out all the potato because I want the potato to be able to stand up and hold the filling. Now that I scooped out all the potatoes, I'm going to make the filling. So to my potatoes, I'm going to add some salt and pepper, and I'm going to mash that up until it's smooth. Then I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sour cream. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Then 1/4 cup of cooked chopped bacon. Then I'm going to mix that up until everything is combined. Now I'm going to fill all the potato shells with the filling. Now that all the potatoes are filled, I'm going to add some more chopped bacon and some more shredded cheddar cheese to the tops of all the potatoes. Then I'm going to bake these at 350 until the potatoes are heated through and the cheese on top is melted. This is what the potatoes looked like when they came out of the oven.